Nakhon Si Thammarat large-scale flood relief project under the Royal Initiatives, Nakhon Si Thammarat Province. Work planned drainage canal line 3, length of 3.904 kilometers, includes Assembly Building Agreement 2. At the end of November 1988, there was a flood in many provinces in the south, causing damage to farmland, houses, as well as the lives and properties of the people and a large number of government assets. Nakhon Si Thammarat Province is another province that has been affected because the city of Nakhon Si Thammarat is located by the sea on the Gulf of Thailand. Many natural streams and canals begin from Nakhon Si Thammarat mountain ranges and flows downhill through the city. When heavy rain occurs in the Nakhon Si Thammarat mountain range, a large amount of water flows through the canals into the city, but the canals are smaller due to encroachment and shallowness, causing the water to drain into the sea in time, thus causing the influx to flood the city every year. His Majesty the King, 9, His Highness, is very concerned about the trouble and damage caused by the floods that occur this time. His Majesty gave royal initiatives on flood relief and rehabilitation of damaged areas in the southern provinces for 7 such projects for officials of the Royal Irrigation Department. By the flood relief project in Nakhon Si Thammarat, only the project has not yet been implemented. Heavy rainfalls, the mass of water from Padi Canal, combined with the downpour flood from Sao Tong Canal and other watershed areas, the congested water flows could cause a severe flood in Nakhon Si Thammarat Province, as it happened in November 1988. Systematic measures must be taken to dredge the watersheds that pass through the city, to deepen and enlarge those watersheds. Additionally, consideration for digging additional new drainage canals are of equal importance. This will help to drain the water flowing through the city, passing into the Gulf of Thailand in a timely manner. Following to the royal initiatives, the Irrigation Department conducted a feasibility study which was completed in 2002, but the implementation process could not be moved forward due to the acquisition of land required to dig the drainage canals throughout the city. Consequently, flooding remains unresolved and at high chances that the severity of the flood will increase each year. Therefore, His Royal Initiatives Flood Relief Project must be maintained and extended. The flooding must be controlled, and the water reservoir could be used for agricultural and household consumption. This will also help to prevent saltwater intrusion. The government has passed this policy to the National Water Resources Department to irrigate project planning and budget allocation for the relevant departments to precede and solve these flood problems. This water flow must be diverted around the city so that the flow could be accelerated and passing it into the Gulf of Thailand. The hydrological studies indicates that the main streams that cause flooding in Nakhon Si Thammarat city come from Padi Canal, which receives water flow from Khao Long mountain range and flows directly into the city. With heavy rainfall overflowing the riverbanks and causes floods in agricultural areas, housing areas, transportation system, and water supplies. When calculating the 25 years recurrence cycle, the mass of water flow in Padi Canal during a heavy rain flows up to 750 cubic meters per second. The mass of water in Padi Canal will flow into the various canals into the sea at Tha Sac Canal and Pak Nakhon Canal. Both of these canals are capable of draining water flow at a total of 268 cubic meters per second. However, large masses of water could not be drained into the sea in time, causing damaging floods in urban and surrounding areas each year. We see it as necessary to increase the drainage efficiency by digging a new drainage canal to divert water around Nakhon Si Thammarat city To be able to accelerate the drainage into the sea at a rate of 650 cubic meters per second so that the problem of flooding in Nakhon Thammarat city can be solved. According to the royal initiatives, the characteristic planned work of flood mitigation project in Nakhon Thammarat consists of excavation of 3 surrounding drainage canals at a total length of 18.64 kilometers, the construction of 7 sluice gates to control the flow of water, renovation of 2 existing drainage canals. The first drainage canal, Line 1, is dug from Padi Canal in Chaimon Tree sub-district, connecting it to Wanghua Canal. The length is approximately 5.5 kilometers. The second drainage canal, Line 2, is dug from Huatrud Canal, connecting it to Drainage Canal 1 in order to avoid community areas. Canal Line 2 has an estimated length of 0.79 kilometers. The Drainage Canal Line 3 is dug from Ta Ru Canal to Huatrud Canal, locating in Ta Ru and Bang Chak sub-districts, leading the flow directly into the sea. The length is approximately 12.35 kilometers. This plan also includes dredging Wanghua and Huatrud canals to accelerate the drainage. The construction of a drainage canal Line 3 from Ta Ru Huatrud Canal consists of 3 construction contracts. Contract 1 starts at kilometer 1 plus 000 to kilometer 3 plus 990 at a total distance of 2.990 kilometers. Contract 2 starts at kilometer 3 plus 990 to kilometer 7 plus 894 at a total distance of 3.904 kilometers. Contract 3 starts at kilometer 7 plus 894 to kilometer 12 plus 712 at a total distance of 4.82 kilometers. The location of the project construction. Work planned drainage canal line 3, length of 3.904 kilometers, includes assembly building agreement 2, starting at kilometer 7 plus 894 to kilometer 3 plus 990. The canal embankment is a gravel road surface on the right is 8 meters wide. The canal embankment on the left is 4 meters wide. Inlet pipe at the right at kilometer 7 plus 140. Inlet pipe at the left at kilometer 7 plus 104. The bridge for vehicles crossing the drainage canal locates at kilometer 7 plus 158. Inlet pipe at the right at kilometer 6 plus 564. Inlet pipe at the left at kilometer 6 plus 547. The bridge for vehicles crossing the drainage canal locates at kilometer 6 plus 593. Inlet pipe at the right at kilometer 5 plus 695. Inlet pipe at the left at kilometer 5 plus 667. The bridge for vehicles crossing the drainage canal locates at kilometer 5 plus 419. Inlet pipe at the right at kilometer 4 plus 658. Inlet pipe at the left at kilometer 4 plus 618. The bridge for vehicles crossing the drainage canal locates at kilometer 4 plus 603. The end at kilometer 3 plus 990. Construction characteristic. Work planned drainage canal line 3, length of 3.904 kilometers, includes assembly building agreement 2. Proceeds by dredging the weeds as well as adjusting the soil level to make it appropriate, including pumping to drain during the construction. Alternatively, materials can be used for making the compacted filler until the required width has been reached. Drill in the eye-shaped cut piles, size 0.26 by 0.26 meters, into the ground, according to the depth, in accordance with the geological survey result at both sides. Drilling the cement piles at the entire canal according to its steepness, the depth as specified in the construction plan. After 28 days of hammering the cement piles, the canal can be dug in accordance with the construction plan. By pouring the mixture of sand and cement over the cement pile. Further work will be done on the canal, including the fortifying of walls, soil filling work, and lateral soil filling on both sides. The drainage canal, including the road on the canal shore, which has a total length of 3.904 kilometers. The width of the drainage canal is approximately 111.7 meters. The middle width of the canal is 82 meters. The average drainage canal depth is approximately 5.8 meters. The canal lined is paved with sand cement placed on the clay cement piles. The canal walls are composed of reinforced concrete. Installation of drainage holes must be included to drain the soiled water in the canal lined. The road on the canal embankment is a gravel road surface, soil dirt road paved with compacted sanded cement. The canal embankment is a gravel road surface on the right is 8 meters wide. The canal embankment on the left is 4 meters wide. The bridge for vehicles crossing the drainage canal. The bridge must be constructed with a reinforced concrete structure. Install pre-stressed concrete box beam bridge girder. Construction of canals inlet pipes at 8 locations. Canals inlet pipes must be constructed with a reinforced concrete structure, ready to install two-way drainage door, square frame, size 2 by 2 meters, and a lifting machine with a 6.5-ton axle to control the water. The height of the water will be set via the water-controlled sluice at the water gate, located at the existing canal, Coot Canal, and the ditches on the left and right banks. If the flood mitigation project under his royal initiatives, it will alleviate flooding in the Nakhon Se Thammarat municipal area. It will alleviate flooding in Nakhon Se Thammarat municipal area and reduce the affected flooded area by 90%. There will be over 32,000 households who benefit from this project, in addition to the agricultural area of 17,400 rai. It will also enable to reserve the water to be used in dry season at approximately 5.5 million cubic meters. Additionally, it will also help the community who reside on the canal banks to use it as a water supply for their agricultural and household consumption throughout the year. Nakhon Se Thammarat Large-Scale Flood Relief Project under the Royal Initiatives. Nakhon Se Thammarat Province. Construction Project for Large-Scale Irrigation 10. Bureau of Large-Scale Water Resources Development.